Hi, I'm Nancy with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, and I'm standing in front of a beautiful, brand new 2025 leisure travel van rear lounge Unity. This is a beautiful motorhome. Come on in, let's take a look. This is a non-slide Class B plus motorhome. No cab over sleeping, no slide. This is plug and play at its best. On the Mercedes chassis, this happens to be a 25-25, meaning the chassis is a 25 with all the new upgrades, and the box is also a 25. Very rare. This is a fully loaded, beautiful coach. Compressor refrigerator, convection microwave, pantry. This is the cherry on the cupcake. Back here in the back, we have a separate space with a eddy bed right above your L-shaped lounge and a beautiful window to look outside while you're camping at your favorite camp spot.
Nice.
The fit and finish is nice and light, giving you lots of space. You have a full shower. And a beautiful macerator toilet in the bathroom. Oh, that's what you should do. I'm Nancy. Dave's behind the camera, and we have tons of fun here at Johnson RV. Come on down, take a look at our stock. I also have a 2025 Unity FX available as well with the Leisure Lounge Plus.